railroad fans, the Cajon Pass. Got a beautiful Union Pacific. A lot of cars from Mexico here. And I think we have a BNSF Autorack coming also, so you might block this one out, so take a good look while you can. This train is on main track number 1, eastbound, right around milepost 73. Union Pacific. And here comes our Autorack. This one's on main track number 3, so there's a track in the middle that's open. And this train is westbound. See if this guy's friendlier than the last guy. Thank you. I'm seeing automobiles in there. The famous Ardent Flour Mill, ARDENT, back there. That's where all our bread dough comes from. I'm gonna go up into the Cajon Pass and catch this Union Pacific again, probably up at Blue Cut. Get a full view of it. Maybe it won't be blocked there. Happy Monday. Hope everybody has a great week. Beautiful, couple beautiful trains. A lot of lumber on that manifest train. That's going to be a good catch when I get it again. The sun's back out today, finally, after a couple days of cloud cover. It's kind of a trade-off. You can shoot any angle you want when it's cloudy, but you don't really get those beautiful blue skies and mountain backdrops. And on a day like today, you can only shoot in certain ways, certain angles. I can't go to my left at all right now. That's all good. I saw a couple the other day out at Hill 582, very cute. Had probably a grandfather, grandmother, grandkids. And they're probably new to it, but they were having the greatest time, and they were waving at rear DPUs. Just absolutely wonderful. They were having a good old time. They didn't know nobody was in there. All right, we'll go up to Blue Cut, probably. We'll get this train somewhere up there. Probably at Blue Cut. I think I know just the spot I want to get this at with the sun in my back. So I guess they got pressurized tankers and unpressurized tankers, depending on if they're liquid or if they're gas. Doing some research on that. There's some beautiful old coal cars, I guess. Some kind of ore cars. I like these. There's an old Missouri Pacific right there. Denver, Rio Grande. Chicago Northwestern. I'm gonna wave at this DPO. Hello, hello. Oh, he didn't honk at me. All right, let's go up the pass and catch this train again. Rail fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We're getting some pledges now. It really helps out with the high grass prices and all the time out here, so it's all good. We love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.